the 120-inch Epson EpiqVision Ultra Laser Projection TV. It's ultra because it's an ultra short throw laser. And it's 120-inch because that's 4 times bigger than your buddy's 60-inch flat screen. A 60-inch? My left foot is bigger than your TV. This bad boy's got 4K Pro UHD resolution, 3-chip, 3 LCD technology. We're talking big, bad, bright, bold. Plus, Epson's breakthrough Silver Flex screen. Flex! You don't just watch it, you feel it. Get your game on and your smack on. Rich, you gotta check this thing out, bro. Grab your TV and head over. We can use it as a coaster. The Epson EpiqVision Ultra. Learn more about how Epson EpiqVision is changing the television experience forever.
Okay, Google, turn on the theater.
Okay, Google, I want to watch some 4K Dolby Vision movies.
They wanna shake things up, but we got it under control, yeah. They thought I was all shook up, but I got it. Yeah, 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 yeah. And I'm on a roll. And I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You thought it was a sonic boom, 'cause I have the loudest style in the room. You thought you were in paradise, and you know what? You just might be. They wanna shake things up, but we got it under control, yeah. They thought I was all shook up, but I got it. And I'm on a roll.
Okay, Google, turn off the theater.